This is my workshop. And for those of you just joining us, I haven't really done anything in this room so far. I've built these workbenches and have worked on my bikes every once in a while, but that's about it. So, since this is supposed to be a short little preview for what's to come in my room, let's get started. I decided that the thin plywood walls weren't going to cut it, so I decided to replace it with some rough sawn floor paneling. This wood paneling will make it easy to securely hang tools and mount shelves without having to find studs. Now for the flooring. These foam tiles will be easy to replace if any get damaged and will reduce the reverb in the shop. Not to mention that they will be easy on the feet for long periods of time. Now for the fun stuff. I got this bench vise and bench grinder to be the base of my tool, and I'm glad I didn't skimp out on them. Their build was better than expected, and they have been running great. Now for the shelves. These will be used to hold random items and to make the corner not as empty. Anyway, I made them out of some leftover flooring, plywood, and some old tires I had lying around. I also had some tool holders to make. These I made out of some 1x4 and some L-bar. Some assembly and all of these shelves and holders are ready to be mounted. And with that, this brings us into the best part of the build, the tool wall. Here is where most of my tools will live, out in the open behind a workbench for easy access. This will make it so that anyone who uses my tools won't have to go through bins or tool benches looking for them. And with that, the shop is finished. Like I said, this is just a preview for what's to come, and I can't wait to start working out here on projects. That's it, so thanks for building with me, and I'll catch you later.